Tim Miller, and I've been driving a truck for about 41, 42 years. I also farm.
Okay.
And it keeps you busy, hauling your own grain to market or whatever. And I live in Owine, Iowa, about 150 miles northwest of here.
Okay.
And this is the 30th year for me coming down here for the show.
Okay.
So got to keep up the tradition.
Yeah.
That's 1982, 359 conventional Peterbilt.
Okay.
400 big cam Cummins with a 15 over transmission.
Is that the original engine and everything in it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know if it's been overhauled before, but I haven't touched it. I've had it for about 15 years. I found it in a town west of my place, about 30 miles.
Okay.
A guy had it for sale, and I picked it up. Yeah, he used to run it for Target Distribution Center.
Okay.
And just got tired of it, and so I bought it and repainted it, and now I drive it. It's got the old Corvette dash.
Yeah.
I haven't really changed anything in it.
Yeah.
You know, my daughter got them pedals.
Okay.
Probably 10 years for my birthday, and
Okay.
so I put them in there. It's seen a lot of road with me, and probably a lot more road before me.
Yeah. What's the longest trip that you take in it when you're trucking these days?
Oh, it's not very far. Probably between 60 miles down to maybe 2 miles. There's an ethanol plant right west of me, about a mile and a half, and load and just go to the ethanol plant and come back home.
Right.
42-foot hopper bottom.
Okay.
Timty hopper. Oh, that's an 1980 Timty.
Wow.
It's old, but it still does the job.
Right. Do you end up hauling for other people as well?
I used to, but most everybody's got their own truck now.
Okay.
Up in my area.
Okay.
So I used to haul heavy equipment, but everybody, there's people gone out of the business, and other people's bought their own low boy to haul their equipment, and